In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone on Canva. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the search bar. Here you will type in Canva, which will lead you to the Canva website. As you type, you'll notice various suggestions appearing below the search bar. This is a common feature of web browsers, making it easier to find what you're looking for. Once you hit enter, you will see a list of links. This step is essential because it sets the foundation for your Canva experience. Make sure you are connected to the internet for a smooth browsing experience. Once the search results appear, locate the official Canva link and click on it. This is usually the first result and should prominently display the Canva logo. After clicking the link, you will be directed to the Canva homepage. If you already have an account, you will need to log in. This is where you enter your credentials. Having access to your account is crucial as it allows you to manage and share your designs seamlessly. You will see a prompt asking for your email and password. Fill in the required fields and click on the login button to proceed. With your account open, the next step is to open the design you want to share. On the Canva homepage, you will see your recent designs displayed prominently. Click on the design you wish to share and it will open in the editor. This is where the magic happens and you can collaborate with others. Selecting the right design is important as it ensures that you are sharing the correct project with your team or friends. After the design loads, you will be ready to invite others to collaborate. Now that your design is open, look to the top right corner of the screen for the Share button. This button is often represented by an icon that resembles a person with a plus sign. Clicking on this button opens up a new window that allows you to invite others to your design. This part is crucial because it initiates the sharing process, allowing you to collaborate with others effectively. You will see various options for sharing, making it easier to manage who can access your design. Next, you will need to type the email address of the person you want to add into the Add People Groups or Teams field. As you type, Canva may suggest contacts from your address book. This can save you time if you're sharing with someone you frequently collaborate with. Inputting the correct email is essential to ensure that your invitation reaches the right person. A small typo can lead to confusion, so double-check the email address before moving forward. After entering the email address, it's time to set their permission level using the drop-down menu. You will see three options: can edit, can comment, or can view. Choose the appropriate permission based on how much access you want to grant. For instance, if you want them to make changes to the design, select Can Edit. This step is vital because it defines what the invited person can do with your design. Properly managing permissions keeps your project organized and secure. Finally, click the Send button to deliver an invitation directly to their inbox. After clicking this button, you will see a confirmation message indicating that the invitation has been sent. This final step is important because it ensures that your collaborator is now part of your design project. They will receive an email with a link to access the design. This makes collaboration smooth and effective, allowing everyone to contribute as needed. With these steps completed, you are now ready to collaborate on Canva. This process not only enhances teamwork but also streamlines your design workflow. Thank you for watching and happy designing.